Swans. Swans are one of the most iconic water birds. They are famed for their grace and beauty. There are 6 living and many extinct species of swan. The species of swan in this video are mute swans. A group of swans is called a bevy. When they are in flight, they are called a wedge. The juvenile swans are called cygnets. Swans can live for up to 20 years. They are among the largest flying birds. Adults have a patch of unfeathered skin between their eyes and bill. Male and female swans have similar plumage, but males are generally bigger and heavier than females. The black knob at the base of the male mute swan's bill swells during the breeding season and becomes noticeably larger than the females. The rest of the year, the difference between males and females is not obvious. Although birds do not have teeth, swans have beaks with serrated edges that look like small jagged teeth as part of their beaks. They use these teeth for eating aquatic plants and algae, but also mollusks, small fish, frogs, and worms. Swans in the northern hemisphere are pure white, but in the southern hemisphere, species of swan are mixed black and white. The Australian black swan is completely black except for the white flight feathers on its wings. Swans usually mate for life, although divorce sometimes occurs, particularly following nesting failure, and if a mate dies, the remaining swan will take up another. Swans build their nest on the ground near water. They are about 1 meter across. Unlike many ducks and geese, the male helps with the construction of the nest and will also take turns incubating the eggs. The number of eggs in each clutch ranges from 3 to 8. Swans are highly protective of their nests. They will viciously attack anything that they perceive as a threat to their chicks, including humans. They will hiss, flap their wings, and swim directly at their rivals. Swans feed in water and on land. They are almost entirely herbivores, although they may eat small amounts of aquatic animals. In the water, food is obtained by upending or dabbling, and their diet is composed of the roots, tubers, stems, and leaves of aquatic and submerged plants. Swans have their own constellation, Cygnus, the Latin word for swan. It is a brightly visible constellation, also known as the Northern Cross. In Greek mythology, the constellation represents Orpheus, who was transformed into a swan after death.